Hello traders, I just wanted to do a live trade here. I saw this on the Euro JPY sell signal, so I waited for the cross to happen of the 20 and the 40. So I went in short about this candle here. So this is my live trading, and as you can see, I just went short like 4 minutes ago, and we'll see how this trade turns out. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and resume when resume the video later. So far it's about the break-even point. Just a quick follow-up. I am still in the trade. It seems to reach a resistance or a support area about here, which is previous support. I mean, it did break a little bit under it, but I'm not too worried about it going up against me too far. Stop loss on this should be above this recent swing high, which is right here. So stop loss should be around here. And I did enter this at 51, so about here. So stop loss should be around 57 or 6 pips. And then take profit, I am thinking to see if it breaks this most recent support. I'll see how it reacts around it. If it hangs around too long, I'm just going to close it and pocket like 5 pips profit. If it does break this, the next swing low is here, which I'm hoping it will just fly through this support here and retest here, which is about 37, 38, 35 or so. So I can easily get almost 15 pips out of this trade if it goes to 36 or 35, which is about here, which is the very bottom of the support right here, about 30, let's call it 36. So I'm hoping to get at least 10 pips, maybe 15. So we'll see how it reacts around this price here and this price here. Okay, here I am again after a few more minutes, and the price is moving against me, and I did get a buy signal. However, the EMA is still below, at 20 below the 40, and I did not reach this recent swing high, so I am thinking this is developing into another resistance area, and I'm expecting this to fall hard and fast. So let's see if I'm right, but we'll see what happens in a few more. Thank you. Okay, here's an update. It's taking a little bit longer than I expected for the trade to develop, but about break even. I drew the line where I entered, it was right here on this blue line, and I placed my stop loss here, which is the most recent high to the left of the entry point, which is this point here, the most recent swing high. And take profit is this support level here, because this is Friday towards the end of the market. So I don't want to leave this running over the weekend. So we have about another hour or so before market closes. So if the trade doesn't finish off in the positive, I'm just gonna close it out regardless. Okay, I'm back. Here it is. Price action fell below my original entry price, which was at this 123.51, and it went as far down as 148, so it's up 3 pips, no big deal. But this is towards the end of Friday trading, so it's probably, my guess is it's gonna go up a little bit more and then retest this low, and if it doesn't break below this anytime soon, I'm just gonna close the trade with a few pips profit. And if it does break through here, most likely it'll go to the next support level. So we'll have to wait and see. Okay, here the trade is still open, but I decided to go ahead and close it with a, we'll call it break even, because it's jumping up and down too radically towards the end of the trading day. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it with 2 pips, or pretty much break even. So there, broke. So broke even on the straight, and so it just goes to shows that not every trade you do is going to be a winner. You just have to follow a plan and be diligent with it. I mean, if this wasn't the weekend coming up here, I think we have another hour of trading or so. I would have left it running and see what happens with it. All right. If you have any questions or comment, email me or comment below. Thank you.